welcome to my channel. My name is Sevim. Have you seen these transcription services? You might be using them as well. They are website applications where you have your audio and you want to transcribe it to text. So it's a service that many companies are providing now. It's machine learning service. My interest in application makes me wonder always how they are making them. We are going to make our own application that we can run our transcription services. So we are going to do that together, and we are going to use Amazon Transcribe for this application. So we are going to build our own application for transcription services. This is one of the websites that provides this service, and it's also charging for get started at 0.79 cents per minute. And I'm going to show you how much you need to pay if you build your own application, which is very simple. And this is AWS product that you can build your own application, and it has 60 minutes per month for free. Once you subscribe, you have 60 minutes per month for free for 12 months, and this is the pricing you are going to pay afterwards. It's going to be minutes per month, and batch transcription per minute, it's going to cost you that much. So it's going to be much cheaper, obviously, if you build your own application, and we are going to learn how to do that now. First of all, we need to sign into our AWS console. If you don't already have one, you can go to awsamazon.com and you can create a login. So now I'm logged into my AWS console. I'm going to go back to tutorial. So we are going to create AWS bucket first and upload sample audio file there. As a first step, they are providing me a transcribe sample, MP3. It's MP3 format. I prepared one with my own voice, so I want to use my own just to see how it works. I'm not going to use their sample file, so I'm going to use the one I have with my own voice. As I said, if you don't have an account, just go and create one. You can find it in awsamazon.com. And now we are going to create S3 bucket. S3 is a storage place where we are going to save our file. If you are new, it's good to have this basic knowledge, because before I didn't know what S3 was. As I started learning AWS, it's now making much more sense to me, and I want to explain it as simple as I can. We are going to create a bucket. I'm just going to check if I'm following the right directions, right steps. Bucket name, let me try to see what they are giving the name. Restrictions on S3 bucket names. My super AWS bucket. This is what they say. I'm going to say the same, my super AWS bucket. Where they are created, it's US West Oregon. We can choose the same. We can select different, depends. You can check the transcription services per each region as well, how much it's going to cost, but because it's our first application, it's not going to cost us anything, because we have 60 minutes each month. Availability to set up permissions, so we are just here, disabled, and block all public access. If we are going to transfer that to a website, we are going to allow access, but it's another topic. So for now, it's going to be blocked all public access. So we are leaving default, and as all showing, just following the steps. Bucket versioning, disable. It's just going to be a trial, so we can disable that. Encryption. We can disable that as well. Bucket key. Server-side encryption default. Encryption type, it shows managed keys. Can we just disable that? It's selected automatically applied to new objects stored in this packet. Okay. And for advanced settings, let's open advanced settings, and it shows disabled. So we are just creating already exists, so let's just change it. My super AWS bucket 7. I'm just going to add my name and create that bucket. So we just have a bucket where we will be putting our files. That's just like a folder in your computer. So we are just going inside the bucket, upload our file. I prepared my own file, so I'm not going to use the one that they provided. It should be just me, about me short. I will see how much it understands my accent. Now we are going to create transcription job. So we have that bucket now prepared, and Amazon transcription transcribe, and this one. So we are going to create a transcript. It's my first time to use this service, so I'm just going to check that I'm not losing anything. Transcription jobs, create transcript, create a job, start streaming it says, or we are going to just go to transcription jobs and create a job from here. I'm going to name it about me. And my name. Specific language as we are going to select as English. Language is English. Let's say US. It's my accent, but let's say US. Leave the default model type as default. General model, custom language model. Okay. On the custom, you can use the custom vocabulary feature to help Amazon translator recognition. Input file location. So we are going to get our bucket extension. We need to select the file exactly. Oh, did I not upload? Let's go back and check if I uploaded. I'm just going to open the service S3. If I missed uploading when I was talking. Let me see. If it's empty, I'm just going to upload it now. Add files. Maybe I didn't save it. Okay. And then upload. Maybe I might be missing this part. I don't remember. Okay, now should be showing it's ready, and go back to transcription. Just going to close that, and now I can browse my file. It should be showing here. Let's wait for a while so it uploads as well, in case it didn't update in the bucket. It's just here. If we refresh the page, I'm going to browse it again. Loading objects. Again, no objects. Let's refresh. It asks me to copy URI, so I'm just going to go back and copy the S3 file URI and paste it here. Now I might be able to work with it because I couldn't browse it. That's why I went here and again back on Amazon S3. On the S3 bucket, I got the URI number. So now service model S3, once you input the data, this is the input file location. Output data location type is service managed. Okay, and you can configure additional audio. We are going to go next, audio identification, content removal, custom vocabulary, if we want to add more, and if it asks me to do something, no, we are just going to create the job now. Incorrect region, so I have changed the region and that's why it gives me error. Bucket in the east, UE East region. Okay, I put the bucket in another region because it was, I'm going to try and change it from here. I don't know if I'm able to change the region because I already created. Probably no. So I'm just going to create another bucket. Let's do that quickly and try to do it again. So I'm not going to change my region, create a bucket. Shall I just delete this one? Delete, bucket, empty the bucket and delete. I'm just deleting in case some charges occur. I haven't checked the S3 bucket charges. Probably not, but just to be in the safe side. Okay. So we are going to create another bucket now. My bucket. Make sure east, okay. East side, okay, and it's all, this one is disabled, bucket key, and create the bucket. Bucket is not public. This wasn't deleted yet. I'm going to check that later. Add file, about me short, and upload. So now that it's uploaded, go back to object, copy, and go to the transcribe. I need to go back to previous and inbound, job settings, job details, paste it here again. Now next, and create job. Now it was created, in progress. Just wait a little bit and update to see that it's processing. Now that it shows complete, we can just go and scroll down. Okay, it's okay that it doesn't understand my name, it spells it differently. And this is about my job application. This is great. This is what all the services provide. So you can, without any charges, you can build your own transcription service. You don't have to use your other application. It's very simple. S3 bucket, if you are completely new, creating S3 bucket might be a little bit complicated for you because 2 months ago I didn't know what it was. So it's quite easy now for me to understand how things work. Even with your mistakes, you can solve your mistakes, understand what is causing them, and you can now transcribe up to 60 minutes for free per month and for 12 months. And after that, the charges will be very little as well. So you don't have to pay for any transcription services anymore. You can also create audio identification jobs, like as we use it with Siri, we are asking which song is playing and this kind of things, and you can create subtitles. So you need to create a job for that, but we are just going to leave it as text for this video. Thanks for watching. I will see you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe. And if you are learning AWS as well, if you have interest in starting on learning AWS, click the link below and you will have your one-page PDF. You will have all the links and everything combined together. It will tell you how to study, where to study. It will help you get all the badges you require, and it's all in one PDF page with all the hands-on experiences, laboratoires, training documents, video trainings. Everything is included in one page, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.